This is a quick video on dilations, and in particular we're going to look at enlargements and reductions. So if we have a problem like this one that says, is the pink shape an enlargement or reduction of the original green shape? And then find the scale factor. So if we have a problem like this that says, is the pink shape an enlargement or reduction of the original green shape? And then find the scale factor. Okay, so here's our pink shape and here's our green shape. So first step is to understand that a dilation enlarges or reduces a figure. Okay, that's all it means. And a reduction has a scale factor of less than 1. An enlargement has a scale factor of greater than 1. So that's all you really need to know about dilations. So we could clearly see that the pink shape is a reduction of the green shape. It's been reduced, right? This shape has been completely shrunk to this shape. So now we just need to find the coordinates of the green shape. So the coordinates are 3, 6. 3 is x, y is 6. And then we have 6, 0. And then we have 0, -6. Okay? Those are the x and y coordinates. Now we can find the coordinates of the pink shape. And what we're trying to do here is try to find the scale factor. Okay, so the coordinates for the pink are 1, 2. And then this point is 2, 0. And then this point is 0, -2. Okay? So now we need to ask ourselves, what do you do to these points to make them into these points? So we need to find the factor that we multiply by. So we could see here for 3 and 6, they become 1 and 2. So what do we multiply 3 and 6 by to get 1 and 2? Well, we multiply by a third. It's the same as dividing by 3. So 3 over 3 equals 1. 6 over 3 equals 2. Similarly, for 6, 0, 6 over 3 gives us 2, 0. Then for this point, it's 0, -2. So -6 divided by 3 is -2. So now we could see that the scale factor is 1/3. And we know that it's a reduction because this little triangle is smaller than the original green triangle. And that's all there is to that problem. So don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link to the ebook. In the ebook, when you download it, there's a link in there to this exact lesson. It'll take you to this video and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links to other videos of mine that are similar. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.